welcome to Healthy Life with Kimmi. Well, I've been hearing so much about nutritional yeast. Many of you have suggested it to me, and I decided to go ahead and buy some. This was $8. Now, this is the Bragg brand, nutritional yeast. And right on the front, it says a cheesy seasoning without the dairy. So it's vegan, low in sodium, no artificial colors or flavors, gluten-free, and keto-friendly, 1 carb, right? It's actually 0 points on Weight Watchers if that's what you're doing. But regardless, it's 100% dairy-free, and you can use this, it says, for soups, dips, spreads, popcorn, vegetable, and pasta. It's cheese-like flavoring. So I'm going to open it. I popped some popcorn, and I'm going to pour it on there and see if it's all that everybody says, okay? So we're going to just pour some on here. I don't know how much. Y'all know I like to read. Let me show you. So I got my popcorn popper. If you did not see that video on popcorn, go back and watch it. Okay, so I don't taste anything. Let me see. I don't taste nothing. I don't taste anything. I don't taste it, y'all. This was $8 too. It's not even sticking to the popcorn. I don't know. I'll keep it around here because it's all the rage, but I don't taste it on the popcorn. Maybe I'm using it wrong. Can you guys tell me what you use this for? I guess I'm debating if I even want to put this video out, but I guess I will. Maybe people have an idea how I can use it, because I spent $8 for the 3rd time. I put it on this popcorn and nothing, so I'll put it out. You guys tell me, what do you use this for? Nutritional yeast. All right, until next time, happy eating. Bye.